Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. Today I get to tell you about an app I've been using lately called GetUpside. Of all the apps I've done tutorials on, I feel like GetUpside might be the easiest to use. And it gives you cash back on everyday purchases. So these are things that you are likely spending money on anyway, like gasoline, groceries, and at restaurants. In this video, I'm going to talk with you about the app, show you how to get it, how to find offers, how to redeem offers, and then how to get your cash back. I first heard about GetUpside actually from my auto mechanic. He brought my car to me, and when we were talking, I was talking about what I do for work and helping people save money, and he asked me if I had heard of GetUpside, and I'm like, no, please tell me what it is. And since he always fills up his customers' cars with gas before he returns them, he was telling me about how much money he saves in gasoline every month. So of course I went inside, I downloaded the app, and I started playing with it because I want to make sure that the products that I'm telling you about, the cashback apps that I'm telling you about, that they are legitimate and useful and safe before I push it out there and tell you all about it. So I have been using it for at least 6 months now. Let me first tell you how to get the app. Now, you're going to want to use my referral link. I'm going to drop it down in the video description box. I will also pin it as a comment because using my link will get you an extra 20 cents back per gallon, making it a savings of up to 45 cents back per gallon on your first tank of gas. So huge savings on gasoline. But what you're going to do is use that link. Once you click on that, it's going to reroute you to the app where you can download the app to your phone, and then it's going to ask you to sign in. So you'll need to use a email address and password. The next screen you're going to see is going to ask you for a referral code. On that screen, you're going to enter AFF20. Okay. After that, the next screen you see asks you about your location preferences. So you can tell it to always allow the app to know your location, or you can allow it to only know your location when you're using the app. So that's literally all you have to do to get the app. Now let's talk about how to find offers. So right now they have offers on gasoline up to 25 cents back per gallon of gas purchased. But like I said, using my link will get you up to 45 cents back per gallon on your first tank of gas. They also have offers for up to 45% back on restaurants, up to 30% cash back on groceries, and up to 22% back on purchases made at convenience stores. Something I love about GetUpside is it makes it super easy to find offers near you. So the app works based on location, and there's a little button that you can push, and when you push that, it will pinpoint your location and find offers near you. So you can very easily toggle between gasoline, restaurants, groceries, and convenience stores, and it will find the available offers that are near where you are located. You can also drag the map, and you can look in other areas as well. Now let me tell you how to claim an offer. So you are searching for offers, you find one that looks interesting to you. You will see there are 2 buttons, one that says more info, one that says claim offer. Go ahead and click on more info. That way you make sure you understand what the offer is. If that's an offer you want to take advantage of, you're going to want to click the button that says claim offer. Once you hit claim offer, you have a certain amount of time to then check in to redeem that offer. For the most part with GetUpside, you don't even have to upload a receipt. You use a credit or a debit card. You can't use cash. You have to pay with a credit card or a debit card. And the offer recognizes that you have used the card that you have registered with GetUpside, and the cash back comes to your account. Once you claim the offer, the next step is to go to the location where the offer is. So if I claim an offer for gasoline, I'm going to want to go ahead and drive to that gas station, and then I'm going to hit the button that says check in. Once I check in, the app will tell me that I can check out using my debit card or my credit card, or it will ask me to upload a receipt. For the most part, I have only had to pay with my credit or debit card in order to get the cash back in my account. If for some reason it is not recognizing that I am at the location that I say I am at, it might ask me to upload a receipt, but that happens very, very rarely. So safety to me is super important. I don't like providing my information places. GetUpside only gets the first 6 and the last 4 of your card number, so your account information does stay safe. So once you have checked in, it will let you know if you need to pay with a credit card or debit card, or if it wants you to upload a receipt. It is super, super user friendly, and then you're gonna see the cash back get into your account. Now, how do you get that cash back into your hands? From the home screen of the app, you're gonna wanna click on those 3 little lines in the top left-hand corner of the screen. You're gonna see a drop-down menu, and you're gonna wanna click on the button that says Cash Out. Here, you will notice that you have the option to cash out to a bank account, or you can cash out to a gift card. The minimum amount for the gift card is $10, and they have tons of different gift card options. If you want to link your bank account, you can do that as well. They go through a system called Plaid to verify your identity and make sure they keep your bank account information safe. But you do have to cash out at a minimum of $10 unless you are okay with paying a small fee. So my account was a little less than $10, and I went ahead and tried to cash out just to see what would happen, to see if there was a minimum. And it was going to charge me a $1 fee for cashing out below the $10 minimum threshold. So I decided to wait until I got to $10. That way I did not have to pay that $1 fee. And y'all, that's it. It's that simple. I have loved using GetUpside. I use it every time I fill up on gas, and the money just keeps accumulating in my account, which is awesome. And I cannot wait for them to continue to expand. From what I'm hearing, they're gonna expand quite a bit in the restaurant market and then into grocery stores and convenience stores. If you have any questions about the app, please let me know down in the comments below. If I don't know the answer, I can try to help you find the answer to your question. If you're interested in seeing the other cashback app tutorials I have done tutorials on the Ibotta app. I've done them on Shopkick, Fetch Rewards, Swagbucks, and Rakuten. So I will drop links to those different tutorials down in the video description box below, because I am always looking for different ways to save you all money.